In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign eSignature, how to manage permission profiles. 5 minutes. Let's start with what permission profiles are and why they matter. In Docusign, a permission profile defines what a user can see and do. Things like sending envelopes, creating templates, running reports, or managing other users. Using profiles keeps your account secure and consistent, and it makes onboarding new team members much faster. You'll need admin access for these steps. Begin by logging into your Docusign account. Once you're in, head to the admin area. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is your control center for account configuration. From the admin dashboard, open permission profiles. This page lists every profile in your account along with who's using each one. To create something new, choose Add Permission Profile. Give your profile a clear descriptive name that reflects the job function like Sales Sender or Finance Viewer. A helpful tip here: rather than starting from scratch, copy an existing profile that's close to what you need. That way you inherit sensible defaults and only adjust what's different. As you customize, review categories such as sending permissions, template access, reporting, branding, bulk send, power forms, and any user management privileges. Apply the principle of least privilege. Grant only what's necessary for the role, so you maintain a secure, compliant environment. If you need to work with profiles that already exist, open the Actions menu next to a profile. From there, choose View Users to see everyone currently assigned to that profile. This is useful for auditing who has elevated access and for planning changes before you modify any permissions. Inside the user list, open the Actions menu for a specific person and select Edit. Here you can modify their settings. Most commonly, you'll assign a different permission profile, adjust sending or template capabilities that are controlled at the user level, or update visibility options to align with team responsibilities. Be sure the user's profile matches their actual job needs, so they're neither blocked from doing their work nor granted unnecessary access. When your updates are complete, select Save Changes to apply them. The changes take effect promptly, and it's a good idea to verify by having the user sign out and back in, or by spot checking their available options. A few best practices as you wrap up: document profile names and intended use, keep the number of profiles manageable, and test new profiles with a small group before rolling them out widely. That's it: efficient, secure, and easy to maintain.